Hi, I'm Ben O'Reilly from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video I'm going to be trying out the Man's Premier Door Oil on this JB Kind Thames 2 from their Oak Cottage range. JB Kind are one of our favourite suppliers of doors. They recommend the Man's Premier Door Oil or the Man's Extra Tough Interior Varnish to finish their doors with no risk of delamination. The Man's Premier Door Oil is a blend of natural oils and waxes that brings out the natural tone and texture of the wood while maintaining a durable matte finish. It is ideal for application on an untreated door like the one before me. If you do have previously oiled doors, try an extra test area just to ensure compatibility. If you do have previously varnished doors, you will need to remove the varnish before applying the Man's Premier Door Oil. Before I get started on applying, some tips. Ideally, you want to be finishing an unhung door with all handles, hinges and other furniture removed and after all size adjustments have been made. I have put on my protective equipment, I have thoroughly stirred my oil, made sure I got right into the edges, and I've decanted it into my paint tray. So now let's apply. What you need to do is work in long, even strokes and work with the grain. Just apply the oil very, very thinly. So once you've finished applying, take a good quality microfiber cloth and just wipe up all the excess. Make sure that you work with the grain and just get all of that excess up. Once you've completed this step, just let it dry for 4 hours as well. Make sure you clean your brushes out with a good quality white spirit. It makes them last a lot longer. So now that's dry, it's time to denib. I'll be doing this with a finishing pad. What you need to do is work with the grain, wipe over the whole door. Don't put too much pressure through it. And once you've denibbed, you're free to apply your final coat. After you've done your final coat, you only need to remove the excess. You don't need to denib again. Once that final coat is dried, you're free to flip the door over and get started on the other side. When you're doing the other side, it's a good time to do the sides, the top and the bottom as well, to give your door the best level of protection. After 2 coats, mine's turned out like this. The Man's Premier Door Oil has really made the grain pop. It's brought out the natural tone and texture of the wood. You all saw how easy it was to apply. You'd be pleased to know that down the line, maintenance is just as easy. If you have any minor damage or a slight stain, all you need to do is just clean the area with a suitable cleaner and apply another thin coat and it'll be fine. If you have more serious damage or a more serious stain, just knock the area back with some fine sandpaper, apply another thin coat and it'll be as good as new. If you have any questions or would like some advice, please don't hesitate to get in touch. If you like this video and would like to see some more unique content, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment on any of the videos that you like, and of course, always do a test area.